Hello, my soil fam bam. So as you can see, I'm out here on a farm and I'm here to tell you 3 things that just make sense on my farm and I will always have, point blank and the period. All right, first up is onion chives. It is a great companion for so many crops. Like basically, if you didn't know, I'm about to put you on game. Plant you some onion chives and you don't have to worry about a whole heap of pests, okay? And the great thing about it is that it's perennial, meaning that it's gonna come back every year, and they have these beautiful purple flowery type things that pop up on it. So 10 out of 10 is just giving, okay? Second up is marigolds. Now granted, marigolds are annual, but once again, marigolds give you that pop of color as well as repel a whole myriad of pests. Number 3, basil. First off, if you plant basil with your tomatoes, it's going to give it an extra little oomph with your tomatoes. But in addition to that, it repels pests. And if depending on how you plant it, it will get big, it will get bushy, it will get beautiful. So yes, these are 3 things that just make sense on my farm. And you know, if you decide to use it in your garden, baby, it will not disappoint. They will come through every single time. All right, hope this is helpful to you. Happy growing, my loves.